Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. Today we will be seeing 1009 South 11th Avenue here in Yakima, in apartment number 4. I am going up the steps. It is on the second floor. This apartment has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. We do have a washer dryer hookup. I do apologize if my video began a little bit shaky, but I was going up the stairway. The entrance goes straight to the laundry room. Here we have the washer dryer hookups. As we're walking in, we will be walking into the kitchen. Once again, the address is 1009 South 11th Avenue in Yakima, apartment number 4. It is an upstairs unit. Let's go ahead and start off with the living room. We do have carpet in here with the wall air conditioner. Right in here is a small closet. Go ahead and go into the first bedroom. We still have carpet. Go ahead and open the closet so you can see the inside. You can see the size. It also has a little small drawer. Down this hall is the bathroom. Showing the rest of the apartment. We're going back from where we came from, but instead of going back into the kitchen, we're going to go into the master bedroom. And here we have no carpet. That large closet. Go ahead and open it so you can see. Not only that, but behind the door, piece of wood that you can potentially hang something. This looks familiar. It looks like the one that we've seen in the living room, which it also has a closet. It's part of the bedroom. It's more like a pantry with shelves. Now on the opposite side, it has what I would use as a storage. I'm not too sure what you would use it for. I do apologize if it's a bit dark. I'm trying to make it as brighter for you so you can see better. That's that. It would be more for storage, I believe. I could be wrong, but like I said, you can use it as whatever you may find it efficient for. That's it for this apartment. I want to show you the kitchen again. If you have any questions about this property or would like to request an application, you can always call our phone number that's listed on the video. It's 509-314-4477. They are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Si quiere más información sobre esta propiedad, puede llamar al 509-314-4477. Si quiere la aplicación, al igual puede llamar a ese número. Están disponibles las 24 horas al día, 7 días a la semana. This living room, I want to add, it is long. It is very spacious. Alright folks, I hope this was the property that you're looking for, and I hope you apply with us. And we'll go ahead and walk out a little bit and give you a little bit view of where I has begun from. Show you a little bit of the stairs. And so that's what I was walking through. Okay, well, you have a good day.